Let's take a look at how dirty a keyboard that has never been washed is. First, remove the accessories. Put it in the cleaning basket. There is also a dedicated small basket for screws. Put the basket in the cleaning tank. Add household dishwashing detergent. Stir it up and prepare to adjust the equipment. Turn on ultrasound. Heating function. Degassing function. Sweep frequency function. Now it is in a state of degassing. This is for adjusting temperature and time settings. Adjust the side here. Ultrasonic cleaning. Clean for 20 minutes to see the effect. It's very clean already. Added detergent cleaning at the front. So we have given it clean water once now. Blow dry. Pour it out and see how clean it is now. See, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. After cleaning, the keyboard is also very clean now. Before cleaning versus after cleaning. Come and place an order with me.